Hey, what is up, everybody? It's Grissle back again for another music video reaction, this time for BTOB's Beep Beep. Two quick things before we get started. If you hear something behind me, it's people working on an elevator shaft, and I apologize because they're loud as hell. And another thing is I think I'm trying to get a cold, so if I sound raspy or cough a couple times, I apologize. Anyways, enough about my noises. Let's get to the noise on the screen, and that's BTOB. Let's go. Badass truck. Oh, here we go. Action. I'm already digging this way more than I did Thriller. Unfortunately, I really didn't care for Thriller too much. I know a lot of people did, but I was one that didn't. Definitely got the cars on point in this video. And trucks. I still think it's really funny, like, you know, video I did, I think yesterday or the day before, I was talking about how K-pop videos, they don't move when they're in the cars. Yeah, I like this song. I'm not really familiar with BTOB too much. I just know, I think Thriller was my first time ever doing a reaction to them, and I wasn't into it that much. But this one is very good. And the video fits it good, too. Excuse me. Now they bring it down to the piano. How many people was there? 6 or 7? 7. I brought the girls in. Yeah, I definitely like this song. Those tiny cars. These eyes. Are there supposed to be tickets? That was cool. Anyways, that was my reaction to BTOB's Beep Beep. If you want to see more of my videos, go check out the links after the video or go to my channel. They're all there. So I hope to see you guys soon. Love you guys. Peace.
You have been tuned in with the pulse of K-pop. Grissle brings you the best reactions and breakdowns that YouTube has to offer, as well as live streams and K-pop giveaways. If K-pop is your life, Grissle is your doctor. Subscribe now.